Okay, I'm out in the middle of Tampa Bay on my 2006 Sundance boat, model SV171. It's a 17-foot center console with a Yamaha 90 horsepower outboard, and I'm doing a little experiment. I'm about to turn the camera on my fuel vent that's mounted on the side of the boat. I have unhooked the black rubber hose from the 90-degree pipe that comes in from the outside of the boat. And I have tied a baggie onto the end of the elbow and just went for a ride here in the bay, and been on my boat for about 15 minutes, and I want you to see what is inside this baggie, the water that has managed to come through that 90-degree pipe. Anyway, here it is. You can see there's water right there in the baggie. The baggie is zip tied to this pipe, this 90-degree pipe right here, small baggie, and it has water in it. That is seawater. And I've been in my boat for a 10 or 15 minute ride, and this is how much water I have gathered already. So there's no telling how much water I've gathered over the years and caused my gas tank to totally corrode and had to be replaced.